My conducted survey is about the ages of my neighbors and friends in my community. I have 20 respondents, excuse me. So this is a group's data, and I am going to present all the data and results using the frequency table. So in the first column, these are the lower limits and the upper limits. Under this column, we can obtain our class width. To obtain the class width, we start counting from 46 to 50, and its class width is 5. So repeat the process. Just count from 41 to 45, 36 to 40, 31 to 35, 26 to 30, 21 to 25, 16 to 20, 11 to 15. So the class width is 5. Second column, these are the tallies. So on the third column, these are the frequencies. Under this, we can obtain our n by adding all the frequencies. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 6 plus 3 is equal to 20. So our n is equal to 20. On the fourth column, these are the lower boundaries. To find the lower boundaries, we use the lower limits by subtracting them by 0.5 until it's done. So 46 minus 0.5 is equal to 45.5. Repeat until it's done. So just follow the process until here. On the fifth column, these are the class mark. To find the class mark, we add 46 plus 50 and then divide it into 2. So the answer is 48. So just repeat the process until it's done, until the bottom, until here. On the sixth column, these are the product of the frequency and the class mark, such as frequency 1 times the class mark, which is 48. So 1 times 48 is equal to 48. Just repeat the process until all done. Then find the summation of x by adding them all. So 48 plus 86 plus 114 plus 66 plus 28 plus 46 plus 108 plus 39 is equal to 535. So summation of fx is equal to 535. In the seventh column, these are the cumulative frequencies. Here, the last column, these are the cumulative frequencies. In this column, we first write the total frequency, which is 20. To find the next number, we subtract frequency in line with 20. So 20 minus 1 is equal to 19. 19 minus 2 is equal to 17. So just repeat the process until it's done. This table is the frequency distribution table, and we can use it in determining the mean, the median, and the mode of grouped data. So the formula of mean here, the formula of mean is mean is equal to the summation of fx over n. So the given is the summation of fx is equal to 535 and the n is 20. So 535 over 20 is equal to 26.75. So our mean is 26.75. And now let's proceed to our median. Excuse me. So the formula of median is equal to the lower boundary of the model class plus the summation of f over 2 minus the cumulative frequency over the frequency of the model class times the class width. So here we will get this first, the summation of f over 2 is equal to, the summation of f is equal to 20 divided by 2 is equal to 10. So here it's 10. So the summation of f over 2 is equal to 10. So the given are the cumulative frequency is equal to 9. Here, this is cumulative frequency 9. The lower boundary of the model class 15.5 The frequency of the model class is 6 and the class width is 5. So class width is 5. Let's go to the substitution. So 15 LBMC, no, the lower boundary of the model class is equal to 15.5. The summation of f over 2 is equal to 10. The cumulative frequency is 1. The frequency of the model class is equal to 6 times the class width, which is 5. So 15.5 plus 10 minus 1 is equal to 9 over 6 times 5. So 15.5 plus 9 divided by 6 is equal to 1.5 times 5. So 1.5 times 5 is equal to 7.5. So 15.5 plus 7.5 is equal to 23. So 23 is our median. Mode. This is the mode. So the formula of mode is equal to the lower boundary of model class plus D1 over D1 plus D2 times the class width. So the given are the lower boundary of the model class is equal to 15.5 here. And the D1 is equal to 6 minus 2 here. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4, and 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. So the class width is 5. So let's go to substitution. The lower boundary of model class is equal to 15.5 plus D1 is equal to 4 over D1 plus D2. So 4 plus 3 times 5, which is the class width. 15.5 plus 4 over 4 plus 3 equals 7. So 4 over 7 times 5. So 4 divided by 7 is equal to 0.5714 times 5 is equal to 2.857. So 15.5 plus 2.857 is equal to 18.36. So our mode is 18.36, and that would be all. Thank you.